Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to guide you how to use the referral codes on Monzo. So let's get started. Number 1. Open the Monzo app. Launch the Monzo app on your smartphone and log into your account. Number 2. Navigate to the referral section. Tap on your profile icon or the account tab, then look for the invite friends or referral section. Number 3. Copy the referral code. If you have a referral code from a friend, tap to copy it. Alternatively, if you're inviting someone, you can share your own code from this section. Number 4. Share or enter the code. If you're inviting a friend, share the code with them. If you're using someone else's code, they should enter it during the sign-up process. Number 5. Complete required action. Ensure that both you and your friend complete any necessary actions, like making a qualifying deposit or transaction to qualify for the bonus. Number 6. Check bonus status. After the required actions are completed, check your account for any referral bonuses in the notifications or rewards section of the app. Enjoy your rewards from the referral program. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.